Hello everybody, Teacher Jack here. So today we're going to be learning about the grammar for our heroes topic. So yesterday we learned some new words about heroes, people that you love and people that you respect, people that help people. So we had teacher, pupil, housewife, fireman, and pilot. So those are the words that we learned yesterday. So what we're learning about today is how to use the correct grammar. So we're learning. So how do we say that this woman here is a housewife? We say she's a housewife. We use she because it's a girl. And we can say she's because it means she is. She is a housewife. We could shorten it down and say she's a housewife. Again, same if we're talking about a boy, we use he. He's means he is. So we can say he's a pupil. See the boy there? He's a pupil. Now we could ask it as a question. So we could say, is she a teacher? And we can answer by saying, no, she isn't. Remember, isn't means is not. Okay, so we say, is she a teacher? No, she isn't. If we want to ask about a boy, we say, is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? And we answer, yes, he is. You can see that he's writing, he is a teacher. Okay? If he was not a teacher, we would say, no, he isn't. Okay? So what you're going to do now is you're going to use he's and she's to fill in space here. So you need to look at the picture and see if it's a boy or a girl, and then use he's or she's. So you can see the example here. We see the woman, and she is a housewife. So we have to write, she's a housewife. Okay? She's a housewife. Number 2, you can see the man. It's a man, so we'd say, he's a pilot. For number 3, again, it's a man, so we'd say, he's a fireman. And number 4, we can see it's a girl, so we'd say, she's a pupil. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, if you look at the page, I'm going to say what kind of hero they are, so what job they do, and then you can say at home what number I'm talking about. So say it to your mum or your dad or whoever's near you. So if I was going to say, he's a fireman, you would say number 1. So if I was going to say now, she's a pupil, which one would it be? Number 2. He's a teacher. That would be number 4. He's a pilot. Number 5. And then if I say she's a teacher, you would say number 6. Okay, so after you've done that, you're going to complete this page in your workbook. So you need to look at the pictures and match, then write it down. Okay, so you've got to use he's and she's, so you draw a line to the he's and then draw a line to the she's. So for the first one, number 1, you draw a line because it's a man, say he's a, and then you need to write down what job he does. So he's a pilot, so it's he's a pilot. So if you look at number 2 here, we can see it's a woman, so we use she's, and then what job does she do? She's a teacher, so we write she's a teacher. Okay, so then complete the rest of them number 3 and number 4. So number 3, it's a woman. So we draw a line, she's, and then what does she do? She's a housewife. So we say she's a housewife. And then number 4, we've got a man who is a fireman. So you draw he's down here, the line. You're going to write he's a fireman. Okay? After that, you need to order the words. So we can see that is all jumbled up. So you can see number 1 says, is a she housewife. So you need to unscramble it, put it in order to the correct question, is she a housewife? Then for number 2, you need to answer the question. So it says she is yes, but it should be yes, she is. Okay? Number 3, fireman is a he. What do we say? What do we change that to? We change it to is he a fireman? And number 4, see it says no, isn't he. So you need to put no, he isn't. And for the last one, it says a teacher is she. So you need to order that correctly. You put is she a teacher? And then you answer yes, she is. Okay? So that's your tasks for today. Thank you very much. Bye.